Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, the smile which is already on your face is heart winning. And I really want it to be part of your personality that whatever you're doing, do it joyfully with smile. Smile is a curve which makes everything straight in your life, right? And today we are going to touch one more topic of drawing, which is very important, that is still life. So, before starting work, let's understand what is still life. But before this, I want to welcome all new students. I can see many new students today in my class. I want to welcome all new artists. I'm thankful and grateful to Almighty God that our family is increasing and expanding day by day. And now, chalo, without delay, let's get started. So, say we try to cover up everything, all the subjects of drawing except geometry, and a still life, bird anatomy, figure anatomy, poster making, folk arts, coffee painting, pencil shading, whatnot. And today we are going to cover up still life. Still life, it means learning how to draw one object. है ना? An object, you must be thinking making drawing of object is going to be very boring. So, see, try to understand one thing, my dear children. When you keenly observe one object, so you learn so many things. With help of still life, you will be able to learn so many things. And the very first thing you will be able to learn is you will be able to understand the behavior of one object uh, for light, like source of light. So you will be able to see the behavioral pattern of an object. Okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Where a object will cast its shadow, what part will be lighter, what part will be darker. This all you understand when you study still life. So still life is very helpful topic for you, very helpful subject of drawing, and today we are going to learn it. You learn how to draw one object. Okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I kept my file vertically. Come on, all of you, keep your file vertically. Turn your file vertically. Okay, and then you will take one object. First, you mark your center. Mark your center. Come on. Now we are going to get started with our sketching part, let's understand and learn how to hold your pencil. See, this is with the normal way you hold your pencil for writing. But for drawing, this is not a correct way. For drawing, you will be holding your pencil loose. Okay, I want to check this because this is the most important part in sketching. When you hold your pencil loose, your lines are light and very free. They are rhythmic, very free and flowy. When you hold your pencil tight, your lines are very rigid. So keep reminding yourself that you will hold your pencil loose throughout. Now I will take this circle. I will give you the diameter. If you will keep your 8 fingers this way, and from here to here, the surface should cover. Selection of perfect circle is very important. So you can take any bowl, any plate or anything and keep your 8 fingers like this. So it should cover up this space. This much big circle we need, and I'm going to keep it here. Okay, you can see this lower portion, the center. I will keep it here, and 8 finger big diameter I will be taking, and I will draw the outer circle. Color medium is going to be um, plastic crayons only. Okay, so I draw this kind of circle. Yeah, this is a new artwork. We are going to get started with new artwork. Sanve, you can share your canvas painting on WhatsApp. I will love to see your efforts on canvas painting. If you're trying many more other artworks also, you can share them also with me so that I can share my suggestions. Now you will mark its absolute center. Come on, mark it. And can you see this? This is the center point. I made this circle, which is 8 finger big diameter here. I will mark my center, and keeping my scale, I will make one absolutely standing line. Okay, I will be making this much big. Make sure your line should be light enough. Lower side, you will keep it smaller. Upper side, you can take it quite bigger. Okay? And we are going to make a vase. Flower vase is something which was highly demanded. So I decided I will cover it up in still life. So your topics, your demand would also be covered up, and we will learn still life. And here I will teach you about the source of light and everything. Because this is what you need to understand nicely while making this work. Okay? So now what I did, now I want to make a vase. In vase, I want to show the neck is quite long. Surai, you must have seen Surai the neck. So it is round, tummy is round and the neck is little long. And if you want to show flower, you can. Otherwise, you can simply make the pot also. And here a small line we have. So now you're going to make a line this way, that this part and this part should be equal. And if you're not able to understand it is equal, you can take either help of this. You can keep it 2 fingers also. 2 fingers this side. 2 fingers this side. And with help of fingers also you can take measurements. Or you can take scale, and you can take help of scale also for taking measurements. Okay? So now with help of this, now here what I want to make you understand. As I want to make a flower vase, and I'm making basic structure. And this is the way you should start your work. Whether it is a diagram or any other thing, you should always start your work with basic structure. Okay? So here I decided the basic structure, and now I'm going to get started with. So here the line will go here, diagonal line. Okay, so what will happen? Your lower shape you will find, and what you will be doing, you will make equal distance, and you can take measurement and you will draw 1 with a line here. Come on, draw this much. Now here the basic structure. If I would be trying the measurement, see this measurement is 8 fingers, and here it is 3 fingers outside. Here it is 1 finger outside. Here it is 3 finger outside. Here it is 1 fingers outside. Okay? So this is the story. It's a very simple story. It's available on my YouTube channel also. So this is the story of a very old age, a very sick person. And that sick person had a dream. Like he was having a planter kept on windowsill, kept on a table near wall. Okay. So what happened, like one day, this very sick person who was not able to heal at any cost, no medicine was working on him, and I had a dream. And in dream, what dream he had, that this uh, plant, which is in pot in front of you, the day when all the leaves, this plant will shed all the leaves, that is going to be the last day of your life. He just took this dream. It was just a dream, but he took this dream so seriously that the moment, the day when all the leaves, the plant will shed, I won't be able to be anymore. This thought simply got fixed in mind, and this sick man was always looking at this pot and the leaves on it. Now here you will make it curved. Now this corner we have now, erase it and make it little curved. Erase this corner and make it little curved. Okay, yeah. So see, when you use this kind of method, you find it easy to complete your shape. If you would have tried it directly, it would be very challenging for you. But as we are going to make it perfectly, you will be making one more line. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, Bhuvi, if you're not able to hear me, please check your internet. Because rest all can hear me. So this problem is not from my side. So please check your internet. So I will complete its mouth, and for this I will make a line. One more line, and we will simply, I will reduce this line and we will connect it with help of C. See a U here and U here. And hold your pencil loose so that your each and every line would be very flowy and very perfect. You will start it from here, this kind of U, this corner, and this corner. Pointed U. It's a combination of U and V, and you're going to keep it equally out. So you will find this kind of mouth shape, okay, with a small, okay, you will make a line inside, and this is the way it would be done. You will take eraser. Okay, to see this is the way we completed it. And the basic, yeah, I will complete my story. So this sick man was looking at this planter, and like this plant was not very healthy and was shedding its leaves one after another. And this was last leaf left. And the sick person who was having strong belief, you know what, my dear children, your belief, your body is a machine. Whatever your brain instruct or command, your body is going to obey. It's just like a machine. And so when any thought gets fixed in your mind, if you're very determined to be victorious, everything within you and outside in universe will support you. But if at the same time, if you give up, if you quit, so everything within you and outside also quit. So the same thing started happening with this. Here, what you will do, you will make a line and you will make it slightly curved. Okay, so you can see I started with a circle and standing lines, then I draw 11. I connected with soft curve, then sleeping 11, connected with U, and then here I made a sleeping line, connected it diagonal. Bhuve, please check your internet, my dear, because rest all can hear me. And some technical issue you must be having, because rest all can hear me properly. See, you must have put me on mute. Okay, and here one line you will say take and you will make a curve. I will return back to my story. I will check the work first. All of you please lift up files and show me how it is done. So beautiful, so lovely. Shabash, very good, very nice. Now what you will do, you will take your eraser and you will erase unwanted lines. So these all lines and which we draw. Because of these lines, we are able to make it completely perfect and symmetry we are able to maintain. If you would have tried this shape directly, it would be very challenging for you. And now the only thing left is shape of this pot. See, this lovely shape is left, and this is the way of developing your diagram and still life artworks. Okay. And you will be making a surface where it is capped. Okay, and you can make some. Okay, as flower vase, it was demand. So we will keep it very simple. And this is the way your pot is done. Okay. So very first step is what? You will simply make a center line circle, then the middle line. You will must make your basic structure first and then you will develop your artwork. Okay, this is the way you will be completing your work. Okay, And now you will erase all unwanted lines. And our second step is going to be outline. So now we will give outline in this complete artwork. If you feel that you want to make one apple or a flower here, and you can even do that. You can add one object here or a small matki here. Anything you can observe, show here. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So what I will do, I will take my sketch pen and I will give outline in this complete drawing. I'm going to take this regular sketch pen, not thick and bold. And I will very carefully complete each and every line. I will return back to my story while giving outlines. So what happened in my story then? Now the last leaf was left, and one very good friend was having complete realization that this very strong belief is very harmful. And if this last leaf will fell down, it will make this man very disheartened and cause like risk to life. So solution. Now what is the solution? So this man, the best friend of this sick person, was having a very good friend who was very good artist. So what he did, where once when this man visited doctor, he called out that artist and told that please paint leaf which should look very real. And this artist was very good at making still life. So what he did, he painted leaf. And he painted leaf and on wall which was looking as if it is connected to that particular. So see, this is the way you will complete your outlines. We don't have much to give outlines. Very quickly and easily we would be able to do it. Take your green color and a dark green and light green, both you can take and do few things directly with colors. Okay? So come on, take these two colors and some from this line which is inside, you will make some, you will simply make some lines outside and connect. They should grow from here because this is the mouth of it. And flower pot, as I told you that it was highly demanded that please cover up flower pot. So I will simply make some curved lines. You can take light green color and even dark green also. So I will make some this kind of grass kind of look. Okay, after this I will take a pause of 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so that those who are left behind, they could finish the work. Okay, so I will simply draw grass, and for grass, I'm simply making some curved lines and some C shape. If you will see this one, this is kind of C shape. And you can make some bigger one also. Start from this line and you can go for a little more lower side. And you will make kind of fan all around. Now a pause I will take, a big pause I will take, so that those who are left behind in outline and making this grass, they will be able to complete it. So I will return back to my story. So what happened in my story, this artist, when this patient visited doctor, that time he came and did the painting on wall. And as I told you that this planter was kept in front of wall. So such realistic drawing he drew that some sprouts are coming, new leaves are coming, and that old leaf, which was about to fell down, exactly of the same kind of leaf he painted on wall. And what happened when the sick person was coming back from hospital and after checkup, strong wind started blowing, Andhi, which is called Andhi. It was very windy season. So strong wind started blowing and this man was very much disheartened, having complete trust that today is my last day. Because of this windy season, plant which is kept near window in front of wall, definitely the last leaf will shed, and yes, my life and the life of that plant is equal. And with this thought he entered, and when he sit on bed, he was surprised to see that the leaf was as it is and was able to see a sprout was coming. And what happened, looking at this, immediately the mindset changed. Okay, a sprout is coming. it means there are chances I can revive. And what happened? That complete negative thought, it drain out. And a new positive thought enter in mind of this man, that now a new sprout is coming. And even though this windy season, even though the wind season was, this today's day was very windy, and this leaf is still there on branch, it shows that I am going to be healthy again. And what happened? That negative thought changed. And what was the new thought? I will be healthy again. And looking at that sprout and that leaf which was still there, and he was more than happy. And now the complete negative thought drain out, and a new thought enter in mind. I will be happy, healthy again. Okay? Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files? And those who want me to wait, show your thumb down. I will wait for a little more time. Okay, I'm waiting. As many students are showing their thumb down, I'm waiting. So you will be showing grass in a very bushy way. So here what we are going to do, we will actually add a few things freehand. And this drawing you could use for making flowers. Okay, in your syllabus it is. And now how to add? Now in your each artwork you will decide the source of light. Because in still life this is something which we always try to learn and understand nicely. So always source of light. Suppose we are going to show source of light here. All of you see once where my hand is kept. Source of light from here. So what will happen? This part will be lighter, and the part which is far opposite side of source of light, it will be darker. And where the shadow will come? Shadow will come opposite side of source of light. So if your source of light is coming here, the shadow will cast here. Is this clear? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, so the part of object which is facing light will be light and bright, and opposite will be darker. Okay? And shadow will be of the opposite side of source of light. If your source of light is here, the shadow will come here, this side. Okay? So hopefully you all must have done. I want to check the work. Please lift up files and show. Okay, little more time, 1 more minute. I will take pause. 2 minutes more, because many are showing thumb down. So 2 more minutes, I'll take pause. I will continue my story by this time. So now this extremely sick person, and even doctors were not very good with that graph of health, because every time a thought, a tension was there, a stress was there in mind, that the moment this last leaf will fell down, and nobody, no doctor, no medicine will be able to save me. When this thought is there, what command you're giving to your body? Don't heal, because your life is completely connected with this leaf. So what happened? Body also reacts same ways. So that because of this, the health was not showing any positive result. But today, after looking at this leaf on branch and a new sprout, this man was having a hope in life, that like this new sprout on this branch, even I have hope. I can heal, I can be healthy again. And because of this thought, he started eating fresh fruits, doing little exercise. And because of this thought, the things started changing. Medicine started showing their positive impact on body. Okay? Yes. And yes, show, when you always show your thumbs up, then only I will move ahead. So done? Yes, can I check the work? Show your thumb down if you want me to wait for you. Make it quite bushy, make it very bushy. So you can even add some other color also. I have some beautiful, I have green color. This green, I have 3 greens. Okay, so I will be using this green also. Some leaves I will be making of this kind. Simply swing, and you will connect with a straight line. Your each line will start with straight line, and make it quite bushy. And the upper side you will leave little space for, these are going to be branches. You can make your branches with some other color also. And this is the way you will fill this pot completely with this. It's looking like kind of fan be made with grass. Okay? So what we did, we completed the basic shape of pot. We erased all unwanted lines. Few lines are still visible. After giving outlines, you will erase those lines also. Okay? Yes. So see, this is the way you will erase this line. Okay? Yes, I will check. So now he started healing. And now what happened when he went again to hospital? And for checkup. So his friend did, again called out that artist and told that please make a small leaf coming out. So that very good artist who was good at painting very realistic artwork, he painted one small tiny leaf is growing. And when this man returned back and looked at, so he was more than happy. Now new leaves are coming and I'm definitely going to heal. And slowly his health started showing very positive graph and he was all right within few months. He was more than happy and he told his friend that I was telling you now that my life and the life of this plant is connected. See, when this plant was shedding its leaves, even my health was showing negative graph. And when the new sprout came, and on this plant, even my health is improving. So this friend revealed. He told that come and touch this plant. So he went near this plant and touched. So this plant was almost dry. But from bed, it was looking as if leaves are growing because leaves are painted on wall, backside, and from a distance, it was looking as if they are attached to that particular plant. And he was surprised that this plant is no more now. It's completely dead. But this man said, yes. See, when you was having trust that I will heal, you started healing. So your brain is going to decide. That's why I always tell you, my dear children, keep telling yourself, I can do it. Okay, I can do it. These are golden words and keep saying this to yourself. Hopefully now you all would have done. I want to check the work and then we will move ahead. Will you please lift up files? Show me. It's beautiful work. Lovely. Shabash. Very good. Now we will take eraser and we will erase all unwanted lines if you can see many more. And now let's get started with the colors. So you will take your plastic crayons. What color medium you will use? You will use plastic crayon colors. I will take this. I will take yellow ochre. Yellow ochre color. Mm. So I will take golden. And I will be taking black. I will be taking dark brown also. These are colors I would be using. And a yellow ochre, and then brown, then dark brown, and then black. And as I told you, source of light is going to be from this side. So let's complete it. Okay? Now you will start with the coloring. So the very first color you will be using is this color. So what you will do, you will simply start doing in this part. Come on, start it from here. Hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil and start your coloring from here. And what portion you will be coloring? Very soft line you will be making. You will come down and here you will go round. This kind of shape. This. Make with this color, this kind of shape you will make. And you will start doing this color. Come on. Go for small strokes, one direction. Repeat every stroke 4 times and continue, continue, and continue. Okay. So yellow ochre color you will be taking for this. Okay, and you will start doing this ways. If you don't have golden color, use yellow ochre color. And a yellow ochre color. If you don't have yellow ochre also, then start with peach color, skin color. Okay? So see, I will start from here, and with sleeping lines, I will repeat every stroke 4 times. I will not pressurize my color. Small strokes I will go with, and will continue my coloring this way. And I will cover up this part only. And here I want to show the source of light. And as I told you, source of light is coming from here. So we will be doing this part and sleeping lines. And sleeping lines you will go with, and you will finish this part this ways. And you will finish it completely using yellow ochre color. Okay? Yellow ochre color you would be having, use that. And you will finish your coloring this ways. In this shape. You can see it's looking like a curved shape this ways. Okay? Yeah. Nicely. And what is going to be the technique? You will hold your color the way you hold your pencil. You will move your color in one direction. You will not pressurize your color. You will repeat every stroke 4 times, and you will do this. If your little part is white, let it be, because little part from here we are going to erase. And because as you want to show light, so light to dark tone we will switch on to. Okay? So first color is going to be this, and it is looking like a curved shape, letter J. It's looking like letter J. And your first color is going to be yellow ochre. Okay, so what we conclude from today's story, you know? The most important thing is what we conclude, what we learn from today's story. So today's lesson is what your life is completely in your control. And whatever you will think, the way you think, you get. And so here we learn that always be positive, because your body, your words, your thoughts are going to return back to you. So never think negative. Okay, this is something which we learn. Take eraser now. Done? Take eraser. Now you all will take eraser and you will erase a small part here. Come on, erase a small part here. This part only in upper portion. Okay, here you will erase a small part softly, and this is the way you will be showing little portion here, this side, quite bright. Okay? So here in straight line you erased. Okay, here in straight line you erased, and here a little curved bus. So this is the way you erase the lines. Okay, so what tones we find? White, then little lighter, and now you're going to take your brown color. And now you will start with the brown color. You will start overlapping it. You will try to overlap little bit. Technique is same. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Continue, continue, and again this shape you will cover up with. This shape you will cover up with brown. And when you will move brown, you will go little in yellow ochre. And I move little in yellow ochre, the first color which we did. And the line for marking, make it very light. You can even do one thing, you can erase this line, and otherwise that line will keep reflecting and it will spoil the work. And that mixing gradually will get disturbed. So after making line, you erase it also. Very light impression. See, very light impression is there. It is quite helpful for me to understand that, okay, this much part I would be doing this. So softly, you will go very softly in yellow ochre. Okay. And this is the way you will complete it. Okay, so this man who was having deep belief that my life is connected with this plant. And although this plant shed all the leaves and will die actually, and I was not in condition to grow even a single leaf. But because of that trust, the mindset changed, the life changed. And our life is actually this way. Our belief system, and yes, that smile, which I always request you to have on your face, it is going to decide your success or your defeat. है ना? So when you are very positive, when you have this thought that I'm going to enjoy this work, you don't take any work as burden. है ना? So your life starts showing very positive graph. So see, my second line is of this kind. And as I erase this line, I'm very easily able to understand that, okay, and I'm going little with sleeping lines only, little in yellow occur, little. Okay? And same ways we will gradually continue. So here, my next line is, you can do one thing, you can give outline, black outline here. It will make it easy for you to move your color. So this side only, you give black outline. Okay, till here. I will be doing second color, that is dark brown, and I will simply go for small strokes here. And same ways in sleeping line, I will cover up a small portion with it. And now the remaining, I'm going to add one more pattern, that is dark brown. My last line color is going to be, if you don't have dark brown, Manya, then you can start with black directly. Though if you don't have dark brown, then start with black. Then remaining complete portion you are going to do with black. Okay? So this is the way you will go little and again curve. Your lines will come here and J, letter J shape. So see, this is the way you would be completing your, you will go little in brown. And now the last but not the least, black. And now here, as light was coming from here, so I made dark outlines, and here also you will go for a line. First you do this much, I will check, and then we will go ahead. All of you finish this much. Black we will do together. Okay? So here what I'm doing actually, I'm simply going with sleeping lines. Line is coming straight from mouth, and when it is going down, it is taking curve. Same ways it is, as you can see in my file, you will be doing it same ways. And we will add some flowers directly with pink colors. Okay? With pink color, and your flower vase will be ready. So here we add leaves and grass, flower directly. So what happened is, when you do this way, it saves your time, and lots of time it saves, and you are able to work more on detailings. Can I check the work? Continue, plus show me once. It will help me understanding that how the work is happening. Shabash, very good, lovely, beautiful. Now you're going to take your last color, and that is black. So you will come little with a small line here, and then you will take a curve here, and you will take a curve here, and you're going to make this line quite bold outline, I told you. And then you will start with sleeping lines, and again the same ways you will go and overlap your brown. So can you see, because of light, the part which is opposite side of source of light is dark, and the part of the pot which is getting light is quite light. Now this we learn and study very nicely in still life. And that's why still life is very helpful and important part of drawing. And when you practice still life nicely, now you start showing this impact on other uh, uh, elements also while creating drawings. So it makes your artwork looking more mature. And I will simply cover up the lower portion, make it dark black. Repeat your color till you are getting dark black color. And till here, you will get it. And see how wonderful it is looking. Isn't it? Nicely put. Repeat your stroke till you get darker tone in the corner. And if you will move it light, it will look like gray. And see, this is going to be, so see, if light is coming from here, so light to dark. And where the shadow will come here, lower side. Okay, we will learn shadow also. Do this much. Mouth is going to be quite like it is having light. So you will simply put your light color, that is yellow ochre color, on mouth. And we will be showing it's little soft, very soft, very light, you know, impact at backside. Very soft lines you will be making. Don't make it dark because we want to show kind of shadow it is putting on backside. We want to show this is. Now we will work on shadow. I told you shadow is the most important part when we learn still life artwork, right? So as source of light is from here, the shadow will come this side. And when you add shadow to artwork now, it add more beauty and realistic look to your artwork. Okay? Yes, all of you finish, show me, then I will teach where the shadow will come. And for this, you will take black color only. Yeah. Will you please show me how it is looking? Perfect. So beautiful. Amazing. Okay, so flower pot. Acha, tell me how many of you are having flower pot in your syllabus? Because this is a common subtopic. Flower pot, landscape, many of you. See, so this drawing is going to help you out now. And I add this kind of colors only. Now see here. So you will be making a line from this corner, this base, and one line will come here. Okay? And after making this line, what you will do, you will erase this line, make it very soft, and start going for shadow, sleeping line softly. And as softly you will move with sleeping lines and you will show shadow of the object. And you will see because of shadow, erase this line, huh? Otherwise this line will make it like a block. Your shadow should not have this kind of. So after deciding the line, you will, and it will start from the lower surface, okay? And this is till end of your paper, you will show shadow. And near object, as a shadow is also having one feature. Near object, it's quite dark. Near object, it's dark and gradually it is getting blur. And gradually it is going to get lighter. So can you see? This is the way you will complete shadow. We'll make this line quite dark. Okay. So this all we study in still life. And so with still life, you understand the behavioral pattern of an object more nicely and are able to implement them beautifully. Could take some color for table. So we can go for blue or some color of this kind. So let's take something of this kind, blue. Okay. And make your table of this kind. Okay, you will take your blue color, and table, I will try with blue. If you feel that I want to make my table with some other color, you can. No, but again, the method is going to be same. You will move your color in one direction. You will hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil. Small strokes. When you move your color with small strokes, colors are completely in your command. है ना? And this is the way this table of blue color is ready. Okay, repeat every stroke 4 times and finish it. And now we will add some colors in background. But before that, as we are making flower pot, I will wait after this so that you all could finish this much. And we will make some flowers after this. I'll take a pause of few minutes so that you all could finish this much. Repeat every stroke 4 times nicely. Okay, and this is the way you will complete it. If you want to learn many more still life, if you want to learn 3D shapes with pencil shading, and visit our Artgeo shop and you will find multiple still life drawing with step-by-step drawing and coloring guidance we covered up so that you can practice many more still life drawings. And because when you are learning particular art form, so when you practice many of that kind of artworks, it gives you better command over that particular artwork. So see, this is the way I completed blue table. And now background is left. Before this, we will add flowers. And I will love to add pink flowers. And again here, we will be making flowers directly with colors. So we will take black and pink and some tiny flowers we are going to add. So these flowers could be of so many kinds. First, you all do this much and then we will make flowers. I think a pause is needed. Yes, all of you finish. When you all will show your thumbs up, then only we will move ahead. Can I check the work? Done? Please lift up files and show your thumb down if you want me to wait. And I will wait for a little more time. If you want me to wait for a little more time, please, you all did excellent and outstanding work. Believe me, I have no words to praise. Beautiful. Okay, so hopefully the method, what ways we keep light and dark tone, and this would be very clear. Shabash, it's so beautiful, lovely. Now let's take your pink and black color, and you can even make your flowers this ways also. Like you can make some sticks going bigger. So you can make this kind of sticks. Okay, you can even make this ways. Few you can make this ways. You will be having, and this is light pink. I will add little of dark pink also. And I'm going to make multiple flowers of this kind. You can make some sticks with green all over. Okay. And if you want to make flowers with multiple colors, you can. You can even overlap your flowers in simple dots. Now see here what happened when you try a few flowers without any previous drawing, and a few things when you add directly. It add lots of confidence in your coloring and saves lots of your time. You can devote this time on making some other kind of artworks. You can use multiple colors for making flowers. I will be using dark pink and light pink color. But if you want to use, see, you can see like cone shape kind of flowers. I'm simply making dots this ways. You can clearly see this and how lovely the flowers are looking. I will love to add the little touch up with dark pink color. If you don't have dark pink, you can try, I think red could be tried. And a little, some more dots if you want near sticks, and it will add more 3D look. It is option. If you don't want to add, you can keep it simple. Can you see? Effortlessly beautiful flowers are ready. You know? You can make your point little more flowy if you want. It will look more beautiful. And if you want to make any other kind of flowers, you could make that. Okay. Here, if you feel that you want to add few more, you can add this. Okay. I will take a pause of few minutes so that you can add multiple flowers this ways. And can you see effortlessly? So see, it's not like that things with lots of time and all, with tricks and techniques, with limited efforts, you can create masterpieces. And this kind of flowers will not only look very special, but output would be very beautiful. And here, see, we literally saved our time of making leaves and flowers as we draw it directly, keeping our technique extremely simple. And see, keep one thing in mind that the things which you are making directly with colors, they should be extremely simple. And if you will try some technical shapes directly with colors, what could happen? It can even spoil your artwork. So here just dots and some curved lines. So we decided to do it directly with it. Come on, make flowers. You can use multiple colors or pink. I selected one color for flower, two colors for leaves. Two colors for flower, two colors for leaves. Okay, finish it. And yes, I will. Now, can I check the work? After this, I want all of you to call your moms because a very important announcement I want to make. So, yes, now I will request you all to call your moms so that I can make this important announcement and afterwards. And those who are completing their artwork, they will continue completing. Yes, so please, I request you all to call your mom or whoever elder available at home. Thank you so much, all sweet moms, for taking out time. See, this is about, I'm very happy to announce and invite you for our Sunday's Artgeo Shop launch. We are going to launch our application Artgeo Shop. And I see this launching this, the thought behind this application was that students should get benefit without having much economic load on your pockets, can get tuitions and guidance from best teachers. We are going to connect best and experienced teacher for calligraphy, shloka and mantra chanting, Hanuman Chalisa, grammar, English speaking, dance, vocabum, phonics classes and all. If you're also looking for a platform which can generate passive income for you, and if you can have also a skill which can add some knowledge and value in lives of parents, moms and students, so you can also make your profile, and if we will find it suitable and perfect, so we will love to make your profile also, and it will help you generating passive income for you. So please don't miss attending our Artgeo Shop launch. Okay, and be with us without you, because we are a family, without you, how can this event be successful? So I'm inviting you all, please wind up your work before and be the part of this launch and try to see that what value and knowledge you can add if you want to make your profile for generating passive income. So even moms and dads and anyone at home, if they have any skill which could benefit and add values in lives of parents and students, so even you can make your profiles on. We can talk about it afterwards, but be there for Arjio Shop. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And Sunday, keep yourself free. And thank you so much. Without you, it is not going to be a successful event as we are a family. Thank you so much. And I will wait. Let's see you on Monday. You will get the link in group where you're getting links from for classes. Okay. So, chalo, my dear children, we will come back to our today's still life work. And now this complete background is left. So we will select a color for background. So we can try sap green, gray, or any color for background. So I will select first color is going to be sap green. Okay. And other color could be sky blue. Let's try these two colors. Let's see how it turn up. Otherwise, we will change our colors. So what I will do, I will keep my color horizontally and I will drag. Okay, so keep your color horizontally, hold it tight, press it down and drag. Okay, so this is the way you will drag it and you will try to keep it quite darker. And hold it tight, press it down and drag it till here. On both the sides, it will give you soft and even background. You can switch on to blue and multiple colors we can pick up, orange, blue, and different colors. Don't go much in flowers, and otherwise your flowers will look dusky otherwise. So just put blue here. You can add even this is a beautiful fluorescent orange color I have. And you can even go for this. Violet color, some darker tones will also look good, I think. The little of blue or violet you can add in corner. You can take little red and you can make the corners little darker. And this is your final output. See this. This is going to be your final output. And this is your today's still life drawing. Okay? So please practice many more. And if you are interested learning many more, you can take some classes from our Geo shop and you can practice them. And many times it was happening like students are having any competition and after particular interval that drawing is not visible on YouTube also. When we were searching on YouTube Studio, there also it was not visible. We were not able to find out. So making it very easy for you to understand. And many parents, they suggested us in parents meeting that, ma'am, please help us giving some reference drawing of same kind. Suppose you are learning coffee painting. So please give us some more reference drawing with step-by-step guidance of different kinds so that one can have command over that particular color medium or particular drawing style. So Arjio shop is going to solve this problem of yours. And today you learn still life. Now if you want to practice 3D shapes with pencil shading and colors, flowers, fruits and all, and then you can visit our Arjio shop. You simply click in junior batch stuff and you will find the columns available in still life. You will find all still life drawing which I covered up in junior batch available for you. You can pick up any of your choice and you can practice if you want. Okay, so this ways this shop is going to help you out. So this is our work. I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show? You know what, my dear children, you did unbelievable job. Beautiful work. And hopefully you must have enjoyed today's class. Normally still life, when I talk about still life, the students think this class is going to be very boring. Was the class boring? If no, show no, so show thumb down. It was interesting. You liked the class? Yes. See, this is something, as a mentor, this is my responsibility to nurture you, guide you in all subjects of drawing. है ना? So this is very helpful, improving you, growing you, understanding one object more keenly and nicely. So please don't forget to hold this work in your hands, give a big smile, and tell your mama to take your click and revise this artwork with help of recorded session. Okay? So this is all about. And with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. And hopefully in your school syllabus also, like draw a flower vase. So this flower vase, if you will draw now, I can guarantee you will get A plus, or if marks, you will get full marks. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to share your work with your class, with your smile and your name. Okay? Take care.